Hi everyone, my name is Olga Norzhanova. I am instructor of Neurographic. What is it, Neurographic? Neurographic is the way to draw the pictures, but not just the pictures to put them on a wall or to impress somebody else. It's the way through the picture to your creative subconscious mind to talk to yourself, to find out the proper answers to different questions that you have, to heal yourself from the previous pain and from the previous emotions that really hurts you, and to balance them in real life and to develop a new future which will be really nice and like to be in harmony with yourself. This is the main reason for the neurographic. Actually, you can develop your new future, you can build up your new future through the picture as well. Basically, this is the way to talk to your subconscious mind about any questions that you might have during your life. And I will show you today a few things that you can use at home, and you can try to do the neurographic right now with me. And what we're going to do, we will put a few figures on a piece of paper, and the neurographic line, I will teach you how to do properly the neurographic line. All right, now I'm going to turn camera on my page, and you can see what I'm doing. Now, the idea of a blank page, it's like your space, where do you live? And you can ask any questions of what you would like to do in this life, and ask why do you feel it this way, or how you would like to, the way you would like to go, and to find out through your body, through your creative part of your brain, the best way for you to go and to develop yourself. Great. Now, what we need to do, we need to have some kind of markers. And we will draw the neurographic line. It's a line that never repeats itself, and it goes the way where you don't expect it. Now, I would ask you to take your pen in a hand that you're not using to work. For example, if I'm writing with the right hand, I will take my marker into left hand, and the opposite way, if you are lefty, you can take your marker into the right hand. All right, now, and you start to draw a line that's not repeating itself. What that means, you just draw it very, very slow. You connect to your body and you listen your body. If you feel that line turns up, you just turn it a little bit down, or a little bit in a different direction, just a teeny tiny bit. Okay? And you keep going. At the same time, you keep your mind on your body. You check in what's happening in the body. How's your body reacting to it? If you have some reaction from the body, that means you connected to the line, and you can draw any type of question on a picture on that page. For example, if you do have a question and you need to make a right choice for yourself, you can do the few things. You can just draw a subject 1 and subject 2. For example, if I need to make a decision, is it going to be number 1 or number 2? Who is your best friend? Who is the guy who you would like to follow in your life, like you would like to go through the life with? And really, really important that you will connect to the line, that you will connect to yourself, to your subconscious, and let the line to go on its own way. Also, you can ask a simple question, like what kind of food you would like to have today, what will be the best for you today, a salad or a stew or something else. You know, I know it's such a stupid question, but you might take it really serious, and you might ask, what is the way to develop myself, to go to the university or to go to work, you know, to take the year off or to go to study something, to where to invest my time, where to invest my money, where to invest the best way to invest it. You know, you can find out this question from yourself, but you need to understand that the answer will be the most important. If you connect to yourself, the answer will be right. If you're not connecting to yourself, to inner yourself, it will be a different answer then. Okay, how to connect to inner self? You just need to concentrate on the body. You just need to sit down and relax. You just need to keep an eye inside of yourself, like through the meditation. You just start to breathe and be here and now, and then take again a marker in the hand that is not working hand. All right, like I'm going to take it in the left. In those two numbers, like I will say, the number one for me will be to stay in the country where I live at the moment. Number two for me will be to move to a different country. This is a serious decision for me. I already kind of made the decision, all right? But I will find out if it's the right for me. Turn off your brain after the question you asked, and then let your hand to do it for you. You can pick up a spot. Where do you feel you are right now? Like I'm right now here, okay? Just in this place. You can pick up that spot where you are. You might be a little bit closer to your goal. You might be a little bit farther from your goal. And we start going. Slowly, you just draw the line that will be that turns the way you don't wanna, you don't expect it. You might feel something uncomfortable in your body. You might feel something painful in the body, but that's okay. That's absolutely fine. If you do feel it, just breathe through this part and keep going, keep drawing. I will do the second line just in case if I didn't connect to my subconscious mind, to the inner myself. I will do a second line just to find out if it was the right thing for me. My hand is still turning that way. There we go. Now, I can see that the number one, it's on the side, and I don't want to touch it. My real willing and my real wishes to go to the number two. And now I'm going to change the sharp corners. I would like to make that transition really nice and smooth. And this is what we do in the Neurographic. We make it nice and smooth. We just change all the sharpness into the circle. Okay. Everywhere with the lines, they cross in each other. Like you actually can see that in a different video. I think I already posted the video about how to smooth the edges. And you can just do the little things like this and see how your picture changed altogether. You don't feel any stress around that round spots, okay? And this is why it's so important. But it's really important to be inside of yourself, to be able to make those changes, to be able to see where is the sharp corners and smooth them. It's much easier to do it on a piece of paper than in real life. I know it sounds a little bit strange, but it actually works really well. Lots of people, thousands of people now, they're using this method. This method is quite new. and it's only about 4.5, 5 years now exist, but it actually works really well. And I'm teaching people in my own language, in Russian language now, and it's hundreds of people would already started to use that particular method and that particular technique, just to do the different things, like not just to choose the right way. People, they use it to fix what, to fix their feelings about something, to forgive somebody. People, they use that technique to balance the energy, to balance even the activities. You can use it in every single way. This is only tool, but it's really, really effective tool. And now, once you have it done, once you rounded the edges, yeah, you can start to feel it with the color. You can start to feel it with the different colors. And that picture has already different meaning for you then, okay? It used to be not real, kind of only lines, and now you can see it, you can touch it, and you start to believe that everything is possible, and you start to see how real it can be. But the most important thing, if you wasn't sure what this is your proper way to do or proper way to go, now you're absolutely 100%, or maybe nearly 100% sure that this is your way. And you can use any type of colors, anything that you like. It doesn't matter how pretty this picture will be. What is really, really important, that picture starts to begin real for you, and you are think different about that subject that you are drawing. You're already trying to make serious decisions in your life. I will try to do more videos about it, about the neurographic. It's quite time consuming for me, because I do run a Russian classes and I have my own business outside of that. And but I'll try to do my best. I know that you requested to know a little bit more about that magic method, the method that will be able to help you to control the stress, to build the future. If you would be interested to do classes with me in English, I could organize that. It's already on the way, but it needs a little bit more time to send people, some information about it and let them know. But if you are interested, just send me your message under this video, and I'll be able to see it then, and we can start to do something if you're interested. Now, this is basically the first few steps that you need to know about neurographic, and you can continue to draw that picture. And I will see you soon then again. I hope to do another video sooner, and I will expect your feedback as well. Just under this video, just send your link, send your message if you are interested to do a class with me. Thanks a million for your attention, and we'll see you again.